So the way we make sure that clients are making the right decision with Axivion is we do a proof of value workshop. And the proof of value workshop offers the customer 3 different benefits. First thing is they get a set of results. And those results they can use whatever they decide. An in-depth analysis of the tool, plus a verification of all their architecture. And this is something they can use ongoing. It's something they're not going to be able to get somewhere else. The second part is they get to see exactly what we can do with the rules. Every client has different needs, compliance with MISRA specifications, 26.26.2. All of these things we can prove and show in that workshop and make sure the client understands the way it all sets up. The third thing they see is in their environment is where we do the workshop. So with all of their tool chain, whichever build system they're using, we build it inside that to prove that Axivion flexes to what they need and they're not having to change their environment and pipeline to what we want. What that all means is by the end of the workshop, the client can be 100% confident that Axivion's the right solution for them.